guys, September 15th, 2025. I got a call from a guy, changed his oil tank. I think it was a couple of years ago I changed his oil tank. And when I was there, I think I did a burner service for the guy. Got an oil burner. And he's calling me back now. He said it was
then take the ramp on the right.
03 on a tag, so it's a couple of years old. So we're gonna go over there and
195 east toward New Bedford.
give the oil burner a service. Nozzle filter. It's been a couple of years since I did the tank. Oh, we haven't had any complaints about it. Oh, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Down in the dungeon. He was an old military guy. He had given me, says he was in the military and he had problems and they didn't want to give him disability or something like that. And
on the right toward airport.
nice enough guy, an old veteran. He was complaining about the, you know, they were trying to give him a screw and they got hurt in the service. They wouldn't put him on disability. They had a hard time getting on disability. Eventually, I guess he got on it, but he was complaining about it.
1 mile, take exit 24E on the right toward airport.
I think he was back in the old Korean War or something like that. He's an old timer. Anyway, nice enough guy. I think he married his high school sweetheart. They're still together. Anyway, we'll get you some shots over there. Clean?
Yeah, he says it wasn't too dirty.
Right. Well,
That's
I
what
was
he
just
said.
here last year.
But I want it all checked out.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna check it all out good for you.
Yeah, I want to make sure the burner is running right.
Right. No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
I don't want to miss anything.
No, she's been running. She's been running.
I'm gonna make you see it.
Yeah. No, she's been running clean. I gotta get the right filter here. It's an F4. Yeah. So when did I do this? I usually put a date on there. Yeah. So it's been a year.
Yeah.
It's only been 1 year. I thought it was 2.
No.
1 year. Okay.
I can't believe it's been here that long myself.
Yeah. All right. Let me get my tools. How's the VA treating you?
Lousy as usual.
No respect,
They
huh?
don't treat any of the veterans like they should be treating them.
You don't what?
What?
No respect?
Yeah.
It's only been a year, but we're gonna check this filter and see what the hell's going on with it. Oh yeah, she's a little dark. Definitely mucky. They're selling you that cheap.
The what?
They're selling you that flippin' slime oil.
Is that what they're selling me?
Bio slime. Yeah.
I think I better change dealers then.
Well, I'll tell you, they get a rebate for selling you that shit.
Yeah.
You know, they want to get extra money, so they sell you this bio slime. Look at it. It's all fucking. Look at it.
Yeah.
Look at it. See, it's like syrup. See it?
Maybe that's I can see it from here.
It's like what I call bio slime.
That's terrible.
Look at it. It's like syrup. See it?
Yeah.
That's bio slime. You got a brand new tank. Shouldn't be like that. Yeah, these guys get a kickback when they sell you this shit, you know?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna tell them about that.
I would.
And don't think I'm not.
Yeah, take a picture of it. Look at that. Take a picture with your phone. You don't have a picture on your phone?
No, I don't do that.
You don't do phones?
No. I do.
Wow, that's pretty bad for 1
I
year.
do a land phone. That's it.
Flipping bio slime from hell. You gotta tell the guy he's selling you bio slime from hell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell them. It's like unbelievable. It's supposed to be oil, not flipping slime. You know what it is? They go to down to the Chinese dealer. They go down to the Chinese restaurant down the street.
Yeah.
And they collect all the old oil, the old vegetable oil,
And send it over here.
and then they send it and they mix it. They mix it in your oil. You smell like a flipping egg roll.
And that's what is causing me some trouble.
That's why they smell like an egg roll.
Yeah, see, I got about another half a tank. And I'll be calling them to fill up.
Yeah.
But I'm going to take a ride up there right to the office. And I'm going to tell that joker right to his face.
I think they're all doing that now. They're bios.
I don't care what they're all doing. I know what I want.
Years ago, it was all clean oil. You know, you do 4 or 5 years, and the oil was clean, like the oil, the same as diesel in your car. You ever see that? You don't see this shit they putting in. You don't put this shit in cars because it would get blocked up.
Right.
Oil should be clean. Shouldn't be getting slimy like that. That's what they call a slimy limey. You ever hear that?
Yeah.
A slimy limey. Back in the day. That's when they used to go on the ships. They never took the limes with them. They get sick.
Yeah, they're talking about the limeys from
They call them a slimy limey.
Australia.
Yeah. Smell like a flippin' egg roll from hell here, guy. Not bad. No, they're all doing that now. I think they get a kickback from the government. I think they get like 10, 15% kickback if they sell this biodiesel. So they all put it on their trucks. They're selling biodiesel. Yeah. They're doing
That's what they call it, biodiesel. Huh?
Biodiesel. Yeah, bio. B-I-O. Bio. Whatever the hell that means. Somebody's dumb idea. It's like the gasoline. They put all that corn shit in the gas, right?
Yeah.
You remember?
Right.
And then now the same thing what happens with the cars. You leave the lawnmower in the garage for 6 months and you can't start it because it's got all that corn flakes in there, corn strands. Well, they did the same thing with this. But
Nothing's like it was years ago.
no, they're always trying to reinvent the wheel here. Back in the day, you had the covered wagons with the wooden wheel and the spokes.
That's
They
right.
worked fine, never got flat, right? Then they came out with these new. They came out with
They
this.
did get flat eventually. Sometime they lost the whole damn wheel, or
Okay.
it would crack. So they did have trouble with the wheel.
Yeah, so these guys try to reinvent the wheel, and put air in the tire. And next thing you know, it goes flat.
Yeah.
I got the power off here. Yeah, you go to the VA, they want you to wash the dishes before you give you a shot, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Try to get out there what you can out of you.
Well, half of the people working there, they don't want to do nothing but sit on their asses and collect their paycheck.
Oh, really?
Really? Huh. It's been like that for a lot of years now. And then with all the new ones they got in there now, you can't even talk to some of them because they can't speak English.
They don't speak English?
A lot of them are not. So you're trying to tell them something. They don't know what the hell you're talking about. And I sure in hell don't know what they're talking about. I have to, hey, you send me somebody that speaks English.
Oh, they don't speak English?
A lot of them don't.
Wow.
And some of them speak very good English.
I don't know, this thing looks like it's running pretty clean to me, guy.
Well, that's a miracle if that filter was so shitty as that. I guess the filter was doing its job.
Well, you seen the filter after 1 year. I mean, that was pretty bad.
Yeah.
I told you about that last time I was here about the biodiesel, didn't I?
No.
Yeah, I did. I did tell you, but you didn't. You don't remember.
We were too busy about the tank. Replacing the tank and stuff.
I told you about it.
That's where all my thoughts were at the time.
Let's see, 75, 45, I think. 65. 65, 45.
I try to keep everything running smooth for my wife, you know, because sometimes I get laid up for a long time and she's here alone, you know.
Yeah.
And I don't want stuff to be going bad on her, you know.
Right.
She wouldn't know nothing's the matter until the roof fell in on top of her. Then they say, "Oh, I think something's wrong." But she's a good person, though.
Oh, I'm sure she is. Yeah.
Yeah, she'd have to be married to me for 66 years.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah,
wow.
that's your high school sweetheart, right?
No,
No?
I never went to high school.
You did it?
No, I was out working at like 10 years old.
Really?
That's right.
You never went to high school?
No, I didn't. I never went to high school. I'll tell you. You know how far I went in school? I'll tell you. The 5th grade.
The 5th grade?
The 5th grade. Yes.
No shit.
No shit. The 5th grade.
Wow.
Because I had to be home taking care of kids. Why? The mother was out working their ass off to bring money in to feed us.
Yeah, wow, that's something else, huh?
Yeah, I come from way back in the Depression days, you know.
Back in the days.
Yeah, back in the 1935s, you know.
Is that when you were born?
Yes.
I thought the Depressions were the 34.
Well, yeah, they started, but it was still going on in 35 and longer.
Oh, okay.
They used to give us books that we had to tear stamps out of. We want to buy clothes or shoes or something.
Stamps.
Yeah, stamps. We used to use stamps, and we had a.
All right, go turn up the thermostat, the heat thermostat.
Well, right now it's on like 74.
Well, I guess I could turn it up here. I could turn it up here. Turn it up here. It's on full. I'll turn it up here.
I got all that system up there.
I got it turned up here. I just turned up the water here.
74.
Let's see how it runs. I don't think that it's really dirty. We just needed a service. It don't look sooty or anything. The thing look pretty flippin'
Well,
clean.
I try to keep everything pretty clean.
Yeah, we gotta make sure it's running good and whatnot. But give it a minute. It's calling. It's at 174.
74, and the other is to maintain it at that level, 174.
Yeah, as long as you stay up on it, it should be fine. But that filter was definitely dirty after 1 year, so she started up nice. And
That's all holding up.
yep, guy did a nice job on a tank.
Yeah. That's what I like. Nice, first class work. That's what I like.
Nice what?
First class work.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
I'm a big fan of that cover, but it is what it is. Perfect. That's the way it should be running, and new
on with
new
the
filter
unit?
at tank, new nozzle, good oil, good flame, zero smoke. Alright, I just left that job. I did talk to the homeowner about that oil filter, and I said, it's possible that, we did transfer all the oil when I changed that tank, all the oil into barrels and then back, and that might have been, when they first got it started up, and all the oil was moved around and slushed around, carrying some sludge in it. It's possible. That tank was like 3/4 full of oil when I pumped it out. I moved it into barrels, and then so I told him, well, maybe you need to wait a year and we'll check the filter next year and see what it's like. You get the old oil in there, it's got a lot of black schmag and whatnot, and especially if you're transferring it from the old tank to barrels and then back. Sometimes you get a little, the first year after the change, the filter could be a little mucky, It's possible. Not like it was we did transfer the oil over that was in the old tank. Anyway, just thinking about it, and don't want to give the guy the false information, right? Wrong information here either, so. But yeah, using that biodiesel, which I'm not a fan of, but it's a possibility that's just some residue from the old oil that was transferred over.